The Varroa mite surveillance map is a tool designed to assist beekeepers in their decision making. To use the map, start by visiting the web page on the Business Queensland website and scroll down the page to the map. To view it in full screen, click on the link below the map. This will open a larger version. Use the plus and minus buttons on the left-hand side to zoom in and out, or scroll with your mouse. At the top left corner, click the double arrow icon to expand the menu. This reveals display options for both present and absent Varroa mite reports, shown over different time periods. You can choose to view presence and/or absence data by ticking the boxes to the left of each option. For example, to only see where the most recent reports of Varroa mite have occurred, only tick the box beside hive inspections, Varroa present, last 16 weeks. Click the arrow icon again to collapse the menu. Each coloured square on the map represents approximately 100 square kilometres. Orange indicates where Varroa mite has been reported as present, and blue indicates negative Varroa mite reports. White areas indicate no hive inspections have been reported in that area. Clicking on a square will show how many reports of presence and absence have been submitted in that area. These numbers reflect reports submitted through B123 and Biosecurity Queensland surveillance activities. It does not refer to the number of mites found at a particular location. In the top right corner, you can enter an address or location in the search bar to focus on a particular area. On the map, click around that location to view local reporting data. Zoom out at any time to get a broader view. Once you've finished viewing the information you need, save the web page to your favourites. Report your hive health checks to B123, even if no mites are found. We don't include exact locations in any reports so that your privacy is protected. In Queensland, when Varroa mite is found, it must be reported to Biosecurity Queensland. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at varroa@dpi.qld.gov.au.